Looking to breathe new life into your M90t, P340, P350, or P348 computer? A reliable power supply is crucial, and the YIBAISI 500W unit might be just what you need. This power supply is designed as a replacement for the original, addressing common issues like old, broken, cracked, damaged, or simply inadequate power supplies. The YIBAISI boasts easy installation and maintenance, which is a huge plus for those who prefer a hassle-free upgrade. Its exquisite workmanship suggests a focus on quality, and the promise of high efficiency and stable working performance is definitely appealing. The use of selected metal in its construction implies durability and longevity, making it a potentially worthwhile investment. Specifically designed for the M90t, P340, P350, and P348 models, this 500W power supply offers a direct fit, eliminating compatibility concerns. It utilizes the ATX connector type and comes in the SFX12V form factor. The 500-watt output should provide ample power for a range of components. An air cooling method should keep things running smoothly. The inclusion of a 10-pin PCI Express connector is important for ensuring compatibility with your existing hardware. If you're looking for a replacement power supply, the YIBAISI 500W is worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.